for Oxy for you.
From Dr. Salvatore as well, Judge?
Correct.
I called their office and they said she came to pick it up yesterday.
She may have come to pick something up, but they never prescribed. They pick, I don't know, maybe she's mistaken, but when I called, they had never given her a prescription for oxycodone. So I called these three places, and a fourth, none, had given you a prescription for oxycodone. So unless you have a better place that you got it from, tell me.
Well, Your Honor, and that was a question that I have for them as well. However, the monitoring system is statewide. It's owned by the state. It's not something that she can get on her own. So the fact that they had it, at least someone with a MD, I believe, prescribed it.
What?
I was saying that since it's the prescription monitoring system that provides these prescriptions, it's actually someone prescribes them. So I'm not sure if Dr. Salvatore herself prescribed it, but they were able to print it out and give her the fact that she had been prescribed these medications.
I called all the providers and no one had prescribed her oxycodone.
I'm trying to understand how it must have gotten to the state system in that regard. I'm not sure how that may have happened. She didn't print it out herself. She got it from an actual doctor's office.
I guess let's do this. I'm going to put her in back. If you want to call back in the holdover so you guys can talk to figure something out, perhaps she can give you more information. But as it stands now, I don't know where she got it. Not only that, I will not allow you to pill mill Oxy to kill yourself. I'm now going to put your name on the Texas Prescribing Monitoring Program so that you can't pill mill oxycodone. I'm not going to let you kill yourself, mate. If you want to kill yourself elsewhere, great. But it's not going to happen with me. And you will now be monitored so you cannot just go from one doctor to the other to start getting Oxy everywhere. You understand? Because you're going to kill yourself with this. Or more importantly, take it, get in a car and kill someone else. I'm going to do everything in my power to protect the public by any means necessary. She'll go with you for now, and then I'll have Chisholm call you back there and we can figure out where we're going from here.
Yes, Judge. Yes, Judge. Okay, Judge, for the meantime, can I be excused to give her a call?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Judge. Thank you.
Thanks. Okay, hold on. 120 Oxy. Okay. 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 Made Suite 510. Yeah, I see that. Who, after that point, were there any other prescriptions given? Got it. Okay. No, that's great. You've been just such a wonderful help. I really thank you for everything, because now that gives me the information I need. So, compliance, and this is with the Itata, right? Okay. It's, and you said it's Greg, right? Oh, I was going to ask you something else, and it just came out of my mind. What was I was going to ask? Okay, yeah, I think that should be good. So can we now put the name in the database so that there's no more pill mill shopping? No, you've been great. Wonderful. Thanks, Greg. Take care. Yeah, it's off the street. She's getting it off the street. They have the prescription monitoring program so that anytime you get a controlled substance, it's entered into an actual database so they can see it. And so if someone is script hopping, they can see every time. And so if they see too many scripts from different doctors, it stops. And it puts the people on notice. And then, because then the doctors will get in trouble, then doctors get charged, for running a pill mill. So the last time she was in 23, January of 23 for Oxy. So, okay. Yes, that's a great idea. Good. Okay. Come up, guys. So here's the thing, Pavel.
Yes, Judge.
So I've got Chisholm on the phone now, and what she's saying is that she had a prescription from January of 23, and Miss Mathis is trying to say that she had the pills since that time and takes it as needed. And I'm saying,
Yeah, I mean, I don't.
if someone has a prescription for Oxy, they don't hold it for a year and 3 months. They take it because it's Oxy. People who take Oxy don't have the control to hold that many for that long.
Yeah, I mean, I don't see what you would hold Oxy for. I mean, I've had it for surgery. That's all I can think of.
And Oxy is just too strong. It's too potent, and it's way too addictive for someone to just hold it. I don't believe that for a second.
And to be honest, Judge, I it's a fair belief. I do think that if she is in some sort of pain, I think since she has a current prescription, you can order her not to take Oxy. Of course, not to take any.
I already have ordered her not to take it.
No, any unprescribed. Any illegal drugs. I don't believe your order included the prescribed drugs. However, in this case, you've already put her on the TMP list. I called Mr. Gregg from that list, and they said yes. They mentioned your name to me, and they said that you've put her on that list. So even if she does go to another doctor, then they would be wary of putting her on another prescription because of your concern. So if she's in pain, they're probably going to give her, worst case scenario, a high dosage of ibuprofen. That way, if she pops up for opiates again, maybe next Thursday, because opiates are apparently, according to Healthline, it only stays in your system, in urine for only 3 to 4 days. So she should be clear of opiates by next week, Thursday. That way, if she does show up for opiates, then at that point in time, she can be locked up because you ordered her not to take it. She doesn't have a new prescription, which is fair.
What do you think, Pavel?
What's the request?
Test her on, let her out, test her on Thursday, and order her not to take Oxy at all. That's assuming that she even held the 100 pills until now.
Absolutely.
From January 23. I don't believe that for a second.
And it's partially because, like you said, Judge, she can't, even if she did hold it, I don't think law allows you to have a prescription for over 90 days. If I'm not mistaken, if it's a 90-day-old prescription, then you should not be taking those drugs because, of course, those drugs expire.
That's true. That part's true, but I don't think there's like a regulation on that. But the is this her first fail? Not her first failed exam?
How many times has she failed, Miss Mathis?
We just started her because she has
She's, how many?
two prior BBRs, if that's what you're talking about.
This is her third bond violation, right? But what were the other bond violations for?
She didn't get an interlock
I think it's her
violation, and
second.
she had a curfew violation.
When she first one, she didn't get the interlock. The second one, she had a curfew violation, and now she's got this one.
So
You might bring in Miss Mathis out.
we have addressed those bond violations. I guess I don't know how potent this test is, but on the DWI, the allegation is hydros. So hydros, oxys, they have the same effects. It seems
They
like
don't have the same effect. No. Oxy is so much more powerful. It's just
they're
crazy.
just as addictive, is what I mean. Like how you can be addicted to hydros.
It's no. Hydro is addictive. Oxy, it's 15,000 times it's I'm telling you, it's once you start, it's,
We could, I think we could approach that and give her another chance, but I just, with regards to the drugs, we've given her chances on the other
I
violations.
don't think you can stop. And I'm ready to put you in a rehab program right now because I think that you are pulling the wool over my eyes. You are forum shopping for pills. I have now put you on the list. And you have 2 times gotten a prescription. I talked to the compliance officer with one of the doctors. He told me you have a prescription for 120 oxy from 12/6/22, and then you had another prescription from January 23 for another 100 pills of oxy. I do not believe that you kept 100 pills for the oxy to be able to take it now to where you had a positive result. I think that you're getting it off the street. And I want to put you in a rehab program now. I'm going to have you every Monday and Thursday come here and test. And the next time you test positive, I'm going to hold you in contempt, slap you with 180 days in jail, probate it for 2 years, and put you in a rehab program. Do you understand? You are not to take any drugs, any hydrocodone, any opiates. I don't care if you have a prescription. I'm ordering you not to take it, even with a valid prescription. If you have pain, then you must find another way, either ibuprofen, Aleve, Tylenol, Excedrin, another way, but no more controlled substances, whether prescribed or not. And the next time, you have been advised what's going to happen. You will sign an affidavit with me right now, promising me that you're not going to take any prescribed or controlled medications. Do you understand? No taking any controlled substances, whether prescribed or not. No alcohol, no more bond violations. You've now been apprised. I'm giving you the benefit of the doubt because you had the prior script from 2023. In my heart, I know that you don't have those pills. And this is the only other time you will ever get another benefit of the doubt from me. You need to do whatever you can to address the demons in your life. Because if you don't, I'm going to do it for you the next time. You must also start doing 3 NAs per week. And I want proof that you're in attendance doing the NA program. Do you understand? If you don't have proof the next time you come here that you've done NA classes, Narcotics Anonymous, you're going to stay with me. Can you please swear to this? Okay. Please, Miss Mathis. All right, Miss Chisholm, that's it. This is the last ditch effort, huh?
Absolutely.
I won't entertain anything else. That's it. Okay?
Yes, Judge, understood. Yes,
All right.
sir.
All right, Chisholm, you're the best.
Thank you, my big excuse.
Thanks.
Thank you so much.
Have a great
Judge.
weekend.
Bye-bye. You too. Bye-bye.